Did you know that most smart TV operating systems actually collect more data about your viewing habits than you might think? When it comes to choosing the best smart TV operating system, the options can be overwhelming. With so many different platforms out there, it's hard to know which one is right for you. In this video, we're going to take a comprehensive look at the leading smart TV operating systems available today and help you decide which one is best for your needs. Smart TVs have evolved far beyond simple display panels. Today, the operating system OS inside your TV plays a crucial role in determining how smooth, fast, and enjoyable your experience is. From app availability and user interface to gaming features and smart home integration, each platform offers something different. In this article, we'll break down the major smart TV operating systems, explain how they work, and help you understand which one might be right for you. 1. What is a smart TV operating system? A smart TV OS is the software platform that powers your television's interface and features. Much like a smartphone OS, it manages apps, streaming services, settings, and connectivity. It determines how quickly apps launch, how intuitive navigation feels, and what services are available to you. 2. Android TV, Google TV. Android TV has been one of the most widely used smart TV platforms globally. Developed by Google, it offers a familiar experience for Android users. It provides access to the Google Play Store, meaning thousands of apps, including Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus, are readily available. Google TV is essentially an upgraded interface built on top of Android TV. It focuses more on content discovery rather than apps, recommending shows and movies across multiple platforms. One of its biggest strengths is built-in Google Assistant, enabling voice control for searching content, controlling smart home devices, and more. Chromecast integration is another major plus, allowing easy screen mirroring from smartphones. However, performance can vary depending on the hardware used by TV manufacturers like Sony, TCL, and Hisense. 3. Tizen OS. Tizen OS is developed and used by Samsung for its smart TVs. Known for its clean and fast interface, Tizen features a horizontal menu bar that allows quick access to apps and settings. It supports all major streaming platforms and offers features like multi-view, Samsung TV Plus, and seamless integration with Samsung devices. The OS also supports Bixby, along with compatibility for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Tizen is optimized for performance, making navigation smooth even on mid-range TVs. However, its app ecosystem is slightly more limited compared to Android TV. 4. webOS. webOS, developed by LG, is widely praised for its user-friendly design. Its signature launcher bar appears at the bottom of the screen, allowing quick switching between apps without interrupting what you're watching. The Magic Remote, which works like a pointer, enhances usability significantly. webOS also integrates ThinQ AI, enabling voice commands and smart home control. The platform supports most major streaming apps and has strong performance optimization. It may not have as many niche apps as Android TV, but it covers everything most users need. 5. Roku TV OS. Roku TV OS is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Found in TVs from brands like TCL and Hisense, it focuses heavily on streaming. The interface is straightforward, with a grid of apps on the home screen. Roku offers one of the largest selections of streaming channels, including both major services and niche content providers. It also features the Roku channel, which provides free movies and TV shows. Voice control is supported via Roku Voice and external assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. While it lacks some advanced customization and smart home integration features, its reliability and simplicity make it a favorite for many users. 6. Fire TV OS. Fire TV OS is developed by Amazon and is heavily integrated with Amazon services. It's commonly found in Fire TV Edition TVs and streaming devices. The interface prioritizes content from Amazon Prime Video, though it supports all major streaming apps. It comes with built-in Alexa, allowing users to control the TV, search content, and manage smart home devices. Fire TV OS is content-rich but can feel cluttered due to heavy promotion of Amazon content. Still, it's a great choice for users deeply invested in the Amazon ecosystem. 7. VIDAA. VIDAA is a lightweight operating system developed by Hisense. It's designed for speed and simplicity, offering quick boot times and smooth navigation. While it supports popular apps like Netflix and YouTube, its app library is smaller compared to competitors. However, recent versions have improved significantly in terms of features and usability. VIDAA also supports voice control and smart home integration, making it a solid option for users who want a fast and minimal interface. 8. Saphi. Saphi is used by some Philips smart TVs. It's a basic operating system focused on simplicity rather than advanced features. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, but it lacks a wide range of apps and advanced customization. It's best suited for users who primarily watch cable TV or use a few streaming apps. 9. Other emerging platforms. Some brands are experimenting with newer platforms or custom operating systems. For example, Xiaomi uses a customized version of Android TV with its patch wall interface, which emphasizes content aggregation. Similarly, newer smart TV ecosystems are focusing more on AI recommendations, cloud gaming, and smart home integration. 10. Key differences between smart TV OS platforms. Each OS has its strengths. App availability: Android TV/Google TV leads, followed by Roku and Fire TV. Ease of use: Roku and webOS are the simplest. Performance: Tizen and webOS are highly optimized. Voice control: Google TV and Fire TV offer the most advanced assistance. Customization: Android TV provides the most flexibility. 11. Which smart TV OS should you choose? The best OS depends on your usage. Choose Google TV if you want the smartest recommendations and best app support. Go for Tizen if you want speed and a polished Samsung experience. Pick webOS for ease of use and intuitive navigation. Select Roku TV for simplicity and streaming focus. Choose Fire TV if you're invested in Amazon services. Consider VIDAA for fast, no-frills performance. 12. Quick summary. The world of smart TV operating systems has come a long way in recent years. Most smart TVs run on one of a few core operating systems, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, Google is behind Android TV and Google TV, Samsung powers its TVs with Tizen, and LG uses webOS. These operating systems have evolved significantly over time, with new features and updates being added regularly. They offer a range of capabilities, from app stores to voice control, and are designed to make it easy to find and watch the content you love. One of the key features of smart TV operating systems is app stores, which give you access to a wide range of streaming services and games. Voice control is another popular feature, allowing you to search for content and control your TV with just your voice. Casting capabilities are also common, making it easy to share content from your phone or tablet to your TV. Many smart TV operating systems also offer personalized recommendations, helping you discover new shows and movies based on your viewing habits. Some even offer features like multi-device control, allowing you to control other devices in your home from your TV. In terms of common features, we also see things like 4K and HDR support, built-in streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, and more. The specifics can vary depending on the operating system and the TV itself. Google TV and Android TV are two of the most popular smart TV operating systems out there. They offer a clean and intuitive interface, with easy access to your favorite apps and content. Google TV is the more recent of the two, and it offers some unique features like a For You tab that provides personalized recommendations. Tizen is another major player in the smart TV operating system market. It's used exclusively by Samsung, and it offers a range of unique features like a customizable home screen and built-in streaming services. One of the standout features of Tizen is its performance. It's fast and responsive, making it a great choice for those who want a seamless viewing experience. LG's webOS is another popular smart TV operating system. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use, with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to find what you're looking for. webOS also offers a range of unique features like a magic remote that allows you to control your TV with gestures. When it comes to comparing smart TV operating systems, there are a few key metrics to consider. Ease of use is a big one. You want an operating system that's easy to navigate and understand. App availability is another important factor, as you want to make sure you have access to all your favorite streaming services. In terms of performance, some operating systems are faster and more responsive than others. And then there's the issue of privacy. Some operating systems collect more data about your viewing habits than others. From a user's perspective, I've had the chance to try out several different smart TV operating systems. One thing that struck me was the difference in performance between them. Some were fast and responsive, while others felt slow and clunky. I've also noticed that some operating systems are more customizable than others. For example, some allow you to change the look and feel of the interface, while others don't. When it comes to my personal favorite smart TV operating system, I have to say that I'm a big fan of Google TV. I love its clean and intuitive interface, and the way it provides personalized recommendations. That being said, the best smart TV operating system for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a casual user, you might want an operating system that's easy to use and offers a range of popular streaming services. If you're a power user, you might want an operating system that offers more customization options and advanced features. 13. Final thoughts. Smart TV operating systems are no longer just a secondary feature, they define your entire viewing experience. Whether you prioritize speed, app availability, or smart features, there's an OS tailored to your needs. As technology continues to evolve, expect these platforms to become even smarter, more personalized, and deeply integrated into your digital life. Choosing the right one today can make a significant difference in how you enjoy entertainment for years to come. 14. Conclusion. If you're looking for a smart TV operating system that's great for privacy-conscious individuals, you might want to consider an operating system like Roku TV. It's known for its strong focus on user privacy, and it offers a range of features that help you control your data. So, what's the best smart TV operating system out there? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a seamless viewing experience with a range of popular streaming services, Google TV or Android TV might be the way to go. If you're looking for a more customizable experience, you might want to consider Tizen or webOS. And if you're concerned about privacy, Roku TV is definitely worth checking out. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite smart TV operating system? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and check out our other video on the top 5 smart TV features you didn't know you had.